Hi you all, welcome back to my channel. It's Sandy, and I'm going to do an unboxing of this cordless hot glue gun by Ryobi. And let's take a look at it, see how I like it. Alright, I got this out of the packaging, and it's a pretty simple, straightforward glue gun. You have an on-off switch right here. You have your trigger. Your glue sticks go in right here, and then this tip, again, it's super hot. Now these, it uses 0.45 inch glue sticks, so I think this would be something you'd want to use for bigger projects, like maybe some wood projects, frames, maybe even wreaths, decorating wreaths. So I think bigger projects. The neat thing about it is it's cordless. So if you have other Ryobi tools, which we do, then you have these battery packs. And to install the battery pack, it's pretty straightforward. You just slide that in there until it clicks. And then to get the battery pack out, you squeeze these two triggers here. When you squeeze it, it will release it. All right, so I'm not sure if this battery pack is charged up. So let's put a glue stick in here. It says to put it in until it can't go any further. And then there is an indicator light. So let's see if this battery, yes, so this battery is charged. So we'll let it heat up and then we'll give it a test. I think it might be warming up here. We'll give it another few seconds. One of the nice things about this, with it being cordless, is you have 3.5 hours of runtime if your battery's fully charged. So that's really nice. You just pick it up and go. Now it's pretty light. I mean, the battery adds some weight to it, but I'm surprised at how light it is, which I kind of like. Let's see if the glue may not be quite. Right. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Comes out pretty good. Nice. One of the other things it said in the instructions is to make sure you put a piece of paper or some protective surface down in case it drips. So yeah, I kind of like it. I'm gonna try just something. I was trying to think of something quick. So I'm gonna put a little glue on this and see how well it sticks to this lid. Just something fun to decorate the lid. Let's see how that turns out. Put a good amount of glue on it and just set it down. The glue hairs out of the way. Okay. All right, so that's this Ryobi glue gun. It was super easy to set up and get it going. I think it'll come in handy for bigger projects where, you know, maybe you're working out building wood frames or things like that. But I like it, so I give it a thumbs up. So I hope you found this unboxing and first impressions helpful. I'd appreciate it if you give me a like button. Hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. And thanks to all the subscribers who are still watching and supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. Y'all have a great day, and I'll see y'all on the next video.